Friday, 26th of September, 2025. And we're going to go down that way, but I wanted to get a picture of the bridge and Ringo, but I'm not going to wait on that traffic. We'll cut across the tracks and get our picture and then come back. Well, I don't know. I guess we'll just keep going. Georgia 151 north to Tennessee from Ringgold, Georgia. We're going to go right back by the monument for where the Great Locomotive Chase stopped. About almost 80 degrees in Ringgold, Georgia. That's supposed to be the high today, going down to the mid-60s tonight. We're recording with the Google Pixel 9 Plus Pro, 16:9 aspect ratio. I don't know if we're using 30 or 60 frames per minute. We've gotten a couple of trains. We've got a couple of other videos. We're getting, I think, some pretty good videos today. And like I said, we're headed almost due north. We checked the compass a while ago when we were at the site of the monument site. We have already seen 2 state patrols on this road. We saw one on 75. We've seen several county police. They are looking to welcome you to Georgia today, this weekend, it looks like. We're about to catch up with a little short train, 1 engine. Look at that sky. Awesome. Absolutely great autumn afternoon. We've been a little slow at getting our fall and autumn videos. We'll make it up this weekend, it looks like, though. A lot of ragweed blooming, which is not a contagion. It will not make you sneeze and sniffle. That's ragweed. We've got a couple of pomegranates. We've got about 5 or 6, maybe 7 maypops. We've got 5 or 6 Osage oranges that we will be making a autumn arrangement with. There's the monument right there on the left, where the Great Locomotive Chase came to a conclusion. We are running 45 and we're barely catching up with the train, so it's running about 45. We're running almost 50, so it's running about 45. We're on our way to the Tennessee line, maybe a little further. If we run across the state patrol up here, there were 2 of them up here, one and then another one went by. little bit better for y'all.
Me too.
We're diverging from the tracks a little bit here now. Georgia countryside, scenic Georgia back road drive. Hay bales in the field, toilet paper rolls. I've got to learn how to edit with this Google Pixel 9 Plus Pro. It's got a very good camera. I haven't learned how to edit with it yet. I can't combine photos and video, and I can't combine other videos with each other. I hadn't figured it out. I need to look at a couple of tutorials, I guess. And Google has them. I just hadn't done it. I need to start using this phone camera more. That's been a country club back there, the course and homes of Windstone. Tennessee state line. We have just crossed over into Tennessee. So now we will have a Georgia and Tennessee back road drive. I don't have any idea where this is bringing us out. Let's see, let's check out this bridge. It's an old bridge. I don't think it had a date stamp on it though. Nowhere to stop, check out the creek. Stone Brook. Coming into a Publix. The Food City. What road is this? Is this? There's a fly, aggravating fly in here. The Enclave. Gas $2.54 here. We got it for $2.51, but that was with 10-cent discount at Love's. I have no idea what road this is. West Tennessee 320. Now I know what road it is, but I don't have any idea where we're headed. Probably Chattanooga, I guess, headed west. Makes sense to me. Water lines, they put in infrastructure and utilities everywhere, not only in Georgia, all over the place. Water or sewer one. This fly needs to get out of here. I don't like the way this traffic, it looks like it's building. and come back the other way. Look at it. This video is about 10.5 minutes long. Got a pretty good variety today. We've got train video, we've got interstate video, we've got back road video, we've got historical video with where the General Great Locomotive Chase stopped. We've got a short. It is, good grief, it's 225. We're going to try to hit 75 and hit straight back down. We could use our girl and Google. Google map it. Okay, here's a water tower up here. It'll tell us where we're at. I'm thinking Chattanooga. We've got to be not that far from 7541. We will probably stop and start uploading this video, try to see if we can't get this fly out of here, or either kill him one or the other. I'd just soon kill him. Maybe me think that mean of me, but flies aggravate me. Quick mark, where are we at? Tennessee 320. Okay, our direction has changed entirely. Looks like we're headed southwest. We were headed almost due north. Yeah, we're headed southwest, west-southwest. More west than southwest. Swampland for sale. Brentley Woods, if y'all want to look that up, see where we're at. $264. We saw it at what, $254. There's another Publix. We're obviously in a higher population density area. Of course, they put them, they're almost like Dollar Generals, aren't they? They put them pretty close together. Come on over, Rover. I can't help but think we're going to be hitting 41 or 75. I think 41, I think it comes out to the west of Chattanooga when it comes south. Wouldn't care if we were to be right here at the Bass Pro Shop. I could check it out. want to buy one of those tear gas guns, pepper spray guns, whatever it is. Where are we? I don't guess this was 41. No, this is Tennessee 320, wasn't it? Scenic City, what? Choo Choo Express Car Wash. Talking about the Chattanooga Choo Choo, I guess. Jack Benson Heritage Park. Where are we? Where's maps? Okay, we're headed towards 75. We'll run on over to 75, then we will take 75 south. Marco's Pizza over there. I like Marco's Pizza. I like that meatball bake a lot. I make 2 meals out of it. 11 bucks. We need to get this one uploading. Red Owl Coffee Company. We want to see if we can't get us an online coffee business where it'll ship coffee to people, coffee and tea. We can put a link on our YouTube channel. I think we're going to go ahead and turn this off, and then we will start uploading it. Yeah, this is 18 minutes. Let's go ahead and turn this off. This will be a wrap. We're going to be on 75 shortly anyway.